everyone. I did an oopsie. I have a box that I had received from Donkey Journals _ Paper Love a little time ago, and I had started to straighten up my studio, and a bunch of fabric had been placed on top of it, and I just now unearthed it. So let's see what I got. And I really have to apologize to Nina for this, because I feel just awful. I lost it, and then it was forgotten under the pile of fabric. So it was a super fun little surprise, like buried treasure. So I have here a bunch of those cute little tickets that you can just pull off, and I think there's a little rest of the winning number underneath there, but I love these cute little tickets. I think they're just adorable and so much fun to put on page accents and little tag pulls and stuff. So those are neat. I have a bunch of those. And then I have a couple of these little guys. These are little, they look like little watch envelopes. And let's see if there's a little piece in here. I don't know. There is a super teeny weeny tiny little metal like plunger piece in there or something. A little connector. So we'll just wrap that back up and put it back in its little envelope. Otherwise that will really totally disappear. Oh look, it's a little like that little guy. Yeah, and there's one in here too. How neat is that? Those are so cool. I love little watch pieces. And here's a blue one. Oh, that's neat. I wonder what's in this one. Should we open it? Yeah, let's open it. Why not? Poor little thing's been sitting there. Yay! I unearthed it. Let's see what's in here. Super tiny little delicate papers. I don't have my little jeweler's visor on, so I can't see them. Let's see here. Let alone be able to open up the tiny delicate tissue. I see it in there. It's right there. It's right here. It slid right off. We're gonna, yep, very delicately wrap you back up. It's like super duper tiny. And we'll put you back in your really awesome blue envelope here. Yay! Here's a cool gray one. That one's neat. That one's already open too. A little dinky piece in there. We won't unravel you, but there you go. Family ticket for the Louisville and Nashville Railroad Company. That's really cool. Oh my gosh, look at that. This has like not been opened either. It's super stiff. How fun. Oh, look at all the cute little tickets in here. Wouldn't that be neat as a little tag? Oh, and look at the back. Between blank and blank. How fun are they? Oh, that's so cool. Let's see, not good on trains 37, 38, 98, 99, 198, and 199. Oh, there's a little contract. That is so cute. I love that. How neat is that? I hope I'm in frame. Okay. And then, oh, here's another little watch envelope. We'll leave this guy sealed up. Yeah, that's cool. Okay. And here's a really pretty box. I like the pattern on it. Aw, look at this. Ooh, it's so soft and thin. That's cool. Oh, and a label. How pretty is that? Can you see the shiny? I don't know. Wee, maybe. Okay, ooh, look at the pretty box. Oh, neat. Knitting, crochet, embroidery, and mending yarns. Oh, how cool. It's actually a textiles box. Aw, and there's little, aw, pretty blue and pink thread. That's nice. Put that in there. Here's some pink satin or silk. That's really soft. Oh, some pretty mauve colored lace. I don't know if you can see that or not. That's really pretty. Here's a, ooh, look at this one, guys. Look how pretty that is. That's really nice. Aw, some other cute little threads. Soft pink and a cream color. I love them on these little spools. How pretty just to like set up. Aw, J&P coats. Love these ones. Some blue fiber, like eyelash fiber. That's pretty, I like that. That would go in my personal journal really well. That blue color is super pretty. And we've got some more laces. You can never have enough laces to put on things, I'm telling you. Oh, look how pretty that is. That's neat. I've never seen one like that before. Pretty little remnant piece. Has some cute flowers on it. Oh, look at the little dainty trim. Oh, it's got like little ditzy flowers on it. They're so cute. How adorable is that? I'm trying to make it so you guys can see the pattern too. I've got my camera up really high for some reason. And I'm short, so I can't see. Here's a piece of cream. That's got a neat pattern to it. Here's a, ooh, here's a nice wide piece of white with flowers in the middle. That's really pretty. Here's a neat piece. It has neat designs in it. Here's a cute little ruffly piece with oh, hey, I just got some of this one from Red Apron Vintage. That is really, really funny. It's over there in my lace trunk, but that's cool. I like that. How neat is that? Oh, that's cool. Because she is in Norway, and Red Apron Vintage is in the US. That's so fun. This is pretty. It's soft, too. I really like that. And cute little eyelet trim piece. Those are really fun. Oh, that'd be a cute little pocket to put up like this way. That's interesting. Here's a pretty doily. And you can never have enough doilies either. I like putting these medallion kind on the front cover of my books for really pretty detail. And this is so cute. It's a little pin cushion with a little pin in it. Aww. Crocheted very lovely. Isn't that beautiful? I love that. That's super cool. And what's this piece? Ooh, look at this one, guys. Look at the motion and detail in that one. That's cool. That would make a really pretty spine. Or really just put this on the front cover and make it the pocket and just tiny little decoration places, but not too much because you don't want to cover this up. This is really beautiful. Oh, here's another little lace, crochet lace bit. That's pretty. It has little openings. I know I say this every time, but I love to do this. You can put ribbon in and out of the little holes that are made there. You can leave them open. You can use them to tuck the stems of flowers in or something. Or if you have decorative stick pins, you can have them like go into the hole. That's neat. That's really cool. I like that piece. Ooh, and a nice piece of like chiffon. Oh, it's so soft. It's super soft and flowy, guys. This would be like a perfect wrap for a book. Ooh, that's so soft and pretty. I'm just gonna like sit here and play with this all day. It's like playing with a little piece of cloud. It's so cool. Oh, I love that. And we have a metal sewing bobbin. Like real thick old kind. Those are kind of hard to find nowadays. They've gone to all those plastic ones. I love this one. This is super. This is like what my mom taught me to sew with. That's cool. And we've got some little buttons. This one's neat. Pearly button. Because what would a little sewing kit or box be without some buttons? And then there is, oh, look how cute. It's a little button wax seal. Can you guys see the detail on that one? It's absolutely adorable. I really like it. How cute is that? Well, I want to say a big thank you to Donkey Journals Paper Love. And check her out on her Instagram. And if she's having trouble posting on that page, you can check her out at just Donkey Journals. But I think the last couple sales she's had have been really able to go through on the Paper Love one. So I will obviously put that link in the description below. And again, I'm sorry it took me a little bit of time to get this unboxing up, but oh my goodness, look at all the treasures in here. So thanks very much, everyone, and stay crafty, and I'll see you next time. Bye!